Ryan! Anong masasabi mo bago ka mag-graduation?
Wala.
Ano ba? Ayun, nonchalant pa rin po ako. Dali, anong masasabi mo bago ka mag-graduation? Ayan, kumakain na po siya. Ikaw, tapos ka na. Tapos na yung sayo. Sa kanya naman, dito naman. Ayan. Sa venue. Hi, ate. Pretty ate. How do you feel?
Wala.
Nonchalant. Nonchalant.
Mahal nga sa ng earrings mo.
Saan yan?
Coffee time.
To unfold another chapter in their future, not only among themselves but to our country, the Philippines. So as this year's theme says, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapan sa Bagong Pilipinas. May I call on Miss Regine Matida. Students. It is with great joy and heartfelt pride that I welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of Our Lady of Lourdes Academy Incorporated. Today,
Graduation of Our Lady of Lourdes Academy Incorporated this academic year 2024-2025, composed of 15 grade 6 students, 30 grade 12 STEM, 20 grade 12 ABM, 33 grade 12 UMS, 5 grade 12 Gas, and lastly, 25 grade 12 PBM of Home Economics, with a total of 129 students. After careful scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that you have completed the requirements for graduation. I therefore certify that these 128 candidates for graduation have fully satisfied the requirements.
Presidently, as the representative of Our Lady of Lourdes Academy Incorporated, through Mr. Leonardo C. Canlas, School Division Superintendent of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, and having been presented by the District Supervisor that you have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 curriculum. I now confirm you graduates of Our Lady of Lourdes Academy Incorporated for school year 2024-2025. Congratulations. congratulations at mabuhay po ang ating bagong graduates. Torreo Rian Antoinette Brazil. And to complete our graduating class of grade 6 is Zaleta Samantha Villis Santos. Congratulations. Presenting
Rian Antoinette Artonet. Perfect attendance with honors. Alkincha H. Sons.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in the world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home.